Hey everyone, welcome to Algozen. And today is our very first day of learning Python. Since it's day one, we are not going to study too much. We will keep it simple and easy. Today we will learn three things. First is what Python actually is, what benefits it gives you, and we will write our very first Python program, the classic Hello World program. After that, we will understand what variable and data types are. So let's begin. The first topic is what is Python? Python is a high level interpreted general purpose programming language. Being a general purpose programming language, it can be used to build almost any type of application with the right tools and libraries. Additionally, Python supports objects, modules, threads, exception handling, and automatic memory management, which help in modeling real world problems and building application to solve these problems. Okay, so here is what high level. What is high level? High level simply means it is easy to read and easy to write. What is interpreted? Interpreted means Python runs your code line by line, so it's easier to debug and learn. Okay, then Python is known for its simplicity, scalability, and readability. It's widely used in web development, machine learning, automation, data science, and many more. There is a word general purpose programming language. General purpose means we can use Python for almost anything. As I mentioned earlier, AI, automation, machine learning, data science, etc. So the next topic is what are the benefits of Python? It is a general purpose programming language that has a simple, easy to learn syntax that emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Moreover, the language is capable of scripting, is completely open source, and support third-party packages, encouraging modularity and code reuse. Its high-level data structure combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding attract a huge community of developers for rapid application development and deployment. Okay, so what are the benefits? So first is it's easy to learn, then it's general purpose programming language, huge community. If we get stuck, thousands of developers and resources are available. Then high demand, Python developers are among the most in demand in the world. Support multiple fields like AI, ML, cybersecurity, automation, data science, finance. They all use Python. Then move to the general program. Okay, the wide range of applications. For mathematical computation, we use NumPy and SymPy. For graphical user interface, we use Panda 3D. For web development, we use Django and Botel. Okay, then move to the our fast hello world program. Okay, so for that I use PyCharm. So print hello world. Okay, as you learned earlier, there is no syntax problem in Python. The syntax is very simple. If you want to print anything, just like print, and in the moon bracket write what you want to print. If we want to print the string, then we need to use the inverted comma. Otherwise we don't need anything, like print hello world. Okay, when I run the code, you can see hello world because it's a string. If I want to print 21, run the code 21. Okay, go back to our document. If I okay, there is okay. Let's say we want to print x 7 times. So x multiply 7. So it prints 7 times x. Run the code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a very simple code. Anyone can do that. It's very simple. Okay. Then next, what is variables? Okay, variables and the data types. Both are very important topics. Okay. What is variables? Variables are used to store Data. They make memory space based on the type of value. Data value can be stored in temporary storage space called variables. Okay, it's very simple. I will explain. Go back to our pie chart. Like, let's take example a equal to 65. Okay, here a is the variable, 65 is the value. Okay, a store the value of 65, the value 65. Okay, so when I want to print a, it's a 65. Okay, the first is a is the variable. Go back to our document, I'll teach you. Example 1, price equal to 35. Here price is the variable, 34 is the value. Okay, when we print the price, the output will be 35. Same, price equal to 35, price equal to 65. Here price is the variable, but 34 and 65 is the what? Value. Here we update the, I show you, go back to pie chart, a equal to 65, a equal to 98. In first line, variable a store the value 65. Okay, but in second line, variable a equal to 98 means the variables a value is updated here. So when we print a, it show the second value, print 98. In third line, a equal to 90. So when we print a, it's also updated. So print 90. See, go back to our, okay, just done. Okay, here price equal to 10, price, rating, name, each published, all are variables. And 10, 9.9, unique, true, all are values. Okay, go back to our last topic, which is data types. Every variable every variable is associated with a data type. Means every variable, I show you. Go back to our price jam. Okay, let's take a equal to 65. What is a? A is a variable. And what is 65? 65 is a value, right? Wait, give me some time. B equal to hello, C equal to 98.66. Okay, then D equal to true. Done. Now, what is A? A, B, C, D. All are variables. 65 is a value. 65 is a which value? It's an integer value, right? Hello is a string value. 98.0 is a decimal. So decimal is a float value. And true means it's a boolean value. True is a boolean value. It's very simple. Okay, I show you the data types. Go back to our example: integer, character, float, boolean, string, etc. What is integer? Integer means the positive number, negative number. The whole numbers are called integers. Okay, the 21, minus 21, 18, or say, or 0, everything is integer. What is character? A, B, C, G, everything is character. Each alphabet is a character. But a sequence of alphabet, the sequence of character is called string. Like someone's name, like it's John, or it's New York, or it's United. Everything is a string. What is Boolean? Boolean will also hold only two character. Boolean holds only two value, not character. Sorry. Boolean holds only two values. One is true, another is false. And float is a decimal value. So in example 1, a equal to 21. So 21 is a integer value. So type of a equal to class int. Then 65.9, which is a decimal value, right? So type of b equal to class float. C equal to true. Boolean hold also two value, true or false. So if it's true, then it's boolean. Okay, that's a complex. 33 plus 8j is a complex number, right? So class is complex. Like, okay, give me time. Okay, print type of a. Okay, so here a equal to 65. So 65 is an integer value. So when we run the code, class int, then 6.5. So it's class float because it's decimal value. Like Tom. So type of a which is string. If we want to write okay, false. So boolean value 88 plus 9j, which is a complex value. When we run type of a equal to class complex. Okay, and that's all for today. On day one, we learned what Python is, why it's useful. We wrote our first Python program, the Hello World program, and understood variables and data types. In the next class, we will continue step by step and start writing more real Python code. If you enjoy the lesson, make sure to subscribe to Algozen. See you in the next video.